Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the console and entering recovery mode. Charge the OLED above 50% and remove any game card and SD card so data paths are clean. Power the system completely off via power options turn off, then wait 3 seconds. Once done, hold volume up and volume down simultaneously, then press power. Keep holding the volume buttons until the maintenance menu appears. This step forces the system into the only built-in recovery interface for factory reset. Now you choose the correct reset type and complete the action. In maintenance mode, highlight Initialize Console. You can pick Initialize without deleting save data if you want to preserve saves, or Full Initialize to wipe everything. Note: Full Initialize removes users, linked Nintendo account data, screenshots, and all software. Use the controller to select and confirm twice. The system will reboot and begin the process. Let it complete uninterrupted. Interrupting can corrupt storage and require second attempt. Finish by setting up the OLED as new or restoring accounts. Once the initialize finishes and the console reboots, follow the on-screen prompts to create users, sign in to your Nintendo account, and reconnect Wi-Fi. If the console fails to complete or hangs, power it off, wait 10 seconds, then re-enter recovery mode and repeat. Persistent failures suggest corrupted storage or interrupted firmware update, in which case contact support. Make sure you back up saves via cloud or local transfer before doing a full initialize next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.